Good day everyone, we have Mr. Captech in the house tonight. Let's hear from him.
I am Adioso DK Captech, a technology literate. I am an expert in sharing knowledge and giving solution, reviews, and advice to my clients. Expertise in diagnosis and fault repair, training and development, making deals, information system.
Thank you. You will be hosting a premium class soon on how to blog. Can you give us a picture of what we are expecting?
We will be teaching how to start a blog, with simplified explanations, step-by-step tutorial. It covers how to select a perfect niche, choosing a blogging platform, picking a domain name, getting a web hosting account, starting a blog on WordPress, finding the right theme, blog design, writing content and promoting your blog, and finally, how to make money blogging.
That's cool. The class is staked for 5,000 Naira.
There will be reduction in price for the first 5 persons who registers, who will have to pay 3,000 Naira. In conjecture, no one has the absolute knowledge of what this training is going to comprise of and how much it worths in a standard view. Your decision and instincts is only the authenticator to your desire. If your instinct is ready, do not delay your decision. Thank you very much. I look forward to your participations.
You can contact Mr. Captech via WhatsApp 070357922424. Thank you.
Captech blog 070357922424.